Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, stop the Windows 11 taskbar from popping up in full screen games. First method is change notifications settings. Second method is update display adapter driver. Third method is restart Windows Explorer. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.